Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and I had to show you my little my Easter haul. No, not Easter, just it says Happy Easter. My Stampin' Up haul. It's very small, but I am very thrilled with it. I got 2 of these. They are spring celebrations. They were on the last chance sale. If you haven't checked those out, check them out. Great prices there. I got this embossing folder, beautiful pattern embossing folder, and you can see that pretty pattern there. And then I got the new style of stamps and dies. So if they say dies on them, that's the dies. And if it says stamp set, that's the stamp set. So this is the Swirl Designs stamps, perfect for junk journaling or stamping, of course, on cards. But I just love that. I look forward to using that and making some tags and stuff before Christmas. And then that comes in a bundle, so you can save 10% when you buy them together. And this is the Swirl Designs dies, and it makes all these lovely little dies there. And then this one, this is called Banner Sayings. It's got some great words on here. You are loved. Consider yourself hugged. Wishing you good things. Happy birthday. I'm so grateful. You're the sweetest. I can't thank you enough. Here's to you. And then in some cursive writing, it says, you did it. I'm here for you. Thanks a million. Cue the confetti. Celebrate and sending my love. Then, of course, it is called Banner Sayings. So there's a 3 banner punch, and I believe if you buy those 2 together, there's a 10% savings for bundling them together. It's the 3 banner punch, and it's got 3 different banners on there. So again, super excited for that. And then I got another packet of the 4x4 flip flaps, so I can show you guys how to make those great little, let me see if I could grab it real quick, because you guys had asked me about it, and how I can make this little book using those flip flaps. So I thought I would show you that and how to do it. So I'm excited. We will make one of those maybe for a different holiday or just because. So if you like this, please give me a big thumbs up. Thank you for watching. And if you want to place an order, you can always go to beautyandthestamper.com, or you can go to the link that I'll put in the description. All right, have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.